Up next, this video is by Amy Maseto, and this is called My Hair Care Routine 2018.
My number one hair secret is to not wash my hair often. So I only wash my hair once a week.
Again, guys, we're off to a fabulous start. You see a trend here? It's good not to wash your hair often.
Your hair naturally produces oils, and those oils protect your hair and nourish your hair. And if you're just stripping them away and washing them away, it's such a waste. Like, your hair wants those natural oils.
Your hair is begging for those oils. Thumbs up for that. Your scalp creates those natural oils to keep that hair sexy, fabulous, long, thick. You know what I mean? So you need to keep them. Don't get rid of them so soon.
This is the shampoo and conditioner that I use. Because this is the first time I am washing my hair since I just got it dyed a 4N, a really dark brown. It ended up turning out pretty dark still.
Okay. We're going down to a 9 because you need to be more gentle when shampooing your hair. It's so intense. You're gonna create tangles. Holy shit. Also, it's fine that she's using bond building shampoo. I think that's what it is. And damaged shampoo, but I don't know. From the looks of it, her hair doesn't look at all damaged. It is also really dark, so darker hair usually hides damage. But maybe you can get away with using more of a hydrating formula rather than a damage curing formula. Because if you use those shampoo and conditioner formulas that are made for damaged hair, it is possible that you're overfilling your hair with too much protein. You're also rebuilding broken bonds that possibly aren't even broken, so you just don't need it. You could be using a hydrating product that is more of an oil base that is going to give your ends more life and your hair more shine. I'm not gonna take a point off for that because I don't really know the exact texture of her hair. I can only see it in those videos.